We are still here in lesson 3. This is the tutorial portion of buying your first coin. Here I'm going to show you how to buy your first coin with Cash App. Again, this is a popular app. You probably already have Cash App downloaded, but if you don't, you go to the App Store and you download Cash App. Here's what it's going to look like right here in the top left corner of the screen. And you're going to go into Cash App. And here you'll see the interface, nice green interface. On the bottom, you're going to see 5 tabs. You're going to click on this tab to the right. It's a B, and that is Bitcoin. Now, what you're going to see here is you're going to obviously see the price of Bitcoin, which is right here at the time of recording, 48,558. You can see your balance. As you can see, I have a little bit of balance here. And you can also see the 1-day movement of Bitcoin, the weekly movement, monthly, yearly, and all of Bitcoin all time. As you can see, it started at a very low price and it has reached. And if you can look at this first little blip right here, this first little blip probably looked like this blip when it happened. So imagine how far Bitcoin has to go. This blip was probably the size of this one. So imagine what we're going to be seeing. And then this is going to be the size of this. But anyway, back to the tutorial. We're going to go to buy. This is how you're going to buy Bitcoin. You buy. You can do a standard one-time order, or you can auto-invest. Again, this is a recurring buy, something we're going to get into at a later unit. But right now we're going to do a standard one-time order. You can do $10, $25, $50, whatever you want to do. Your first Bitcoin order. Let's do $25. Now it's going to do a facial recognition. And then you can just click confirm. As you can see, for a $25 purchase, the fees are only 56 cents. Now, these are pretty low fees for Cash App. That is why I recommend you buy Bitcoin on Cash App if you're buying in low doses at a time. Then all you have to do is click confirm. And it's going to confirm. It'll say that you purchased however much Bitcoin that you purchased. Now, what we're going to be doing later is we're going to be clicking this arrow. It's the send button. And as you can see, let's say we want to send 0. Or let's say we want to send $20. We bought $25. Let's say we want to send $20. Now we'll click send. And it's going to ask for a name, cash tag, or a Bitcoin address. Here's where we're going to put our Bitcoin address for our other secured wallet so we can take it out of Cash App. And that will be in the next tutorial. But this is how you buy your first coin, or a piece of your first coin, with Cash App.